what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this shark chasing me filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. When you select the effect, you can see the pictures from your camera roll. You have to browse the picture from your camera roll and you can apply the effect. So to get this effect on TikTok, what you can do, just go to your effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the effect. Okay, suppose you can't see the effect here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button. Okay, remember the name, shark chasing me. Okay, let's search for shark chasing. Okay, the fourth one, shark chasing me AI video. This is the effect. Tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery or from the search. What you can do, go to your For You page. Okay, in your For You page, on the top right, you will see the search button. Tap on it and search for shark chasing filter. Okay, you will see many videos with this effect. Just one, any video. I'll go with the first one. Okay, now on the bottom left corner you will see try effect. Just tap on it. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap on it. Okay, now you can browse the picture from your camera roll. Okay, let's select a picture. Okay, I'll go with this one. Then let me show you the result. Okay, that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.